Okay. Yep. That's a big case. What's in here? So right now I am on the way to meet up with a few friends of mine, Taylor Joe, Neo, not Taylor Joe as in like one name, but Taylor, Joe, Neo, and my friend Nick. And we are about to do some test footage of a new Inspire 2 that I just bought for a new production company that I started called Blacksail Productions. Basically a video production company that is for extremely big productions, high-end clientele, where, you know, I bring in as many people as I need to get the job done, whether it's 3 people, 15 people, 30 people, whatever it is. This test footage I've been excited for a while now, and we'll see how it goes.
What a fail. It was so fucking nice this week.
And it's not anymore.
Yesterday and the day before and the day before that was beautiful.
And it's like 20 degrees.
It was so bad. This thing, it looks like something that just would like crawl behind the car and not fly, like fucking alien versus predator.
Alright, rotate it. Keep going.
With the 5D.
What was that?
I said that's the only thing I like with the 5D.
Good,
The screen
otherwise?
doesn't move that.
Yeah.
The other one's
Good.
I think the new one.
Beautiful.
Oh, what is it?
Oh,
What?
Oh wow, hold on, stay there.
wait, stay there.
Wow, that looks really good.
Stay there.
That's a sexy shot, buddy.
Woo!
It looks so good.
Very nice.
Are you filming him like leaving or anything? Or not?
Can you let him go around?